It's mid-May, and we're at the climatological peak for severe storms in the southern plains. A supercell has developed on a southward propagating outflow boundary. With the tornado potential appearing low, we decide to plan the hail for it. Well, we found the big hail. Oh my goodness.
It's not nearly as big right now, but
Holy cow. As we approach the town of Calvin, Oklahoma, a barrage of close-range lightning surrounds us. All cameras are pointed out the windshield as we creep south. Whoa!
Oh my god! Did you get that? I think I got a zoom shot of it. Dude, that's a crazy.
Where was that one?
I don't know. Did you get that?
I don't know where it was.
Oh my god.
It doesn't end. So we just had a very close lightning strike right in front of us. It struck a tree, and we're gonna go see if we can find out where that tree is and get a little piece to take home. In the video, oh, I see it right there.
Oh yeah, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna pull off right here. There it is.
Look even closer, you can see the.
Just exploded the bark right off. As the storm continues off to the south, we decide to find an area to view the sunset as mamadas fill the sky. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you out there on the next one.